Gang, 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 gang. You know, so what I do with today? Yeah, man, we're there with none of the V6 boss. Yes, man. Yes, man, the V6 boss. The dog, where you take on call himself. One of the six, one of the youth, one of the six camp. We're there with none of them Malie Donn. You see me, I say? Yes, man. Been a little minute straight to Malie, you know? Yes, man. Been a little minute straight to Malie, man. You see me, I say? But we have to blood clean. Get back to it. You see me, how we pioneer certain reactions and things and certain artists. You see me, how we have to get back to it and do a thing. Yes, man. We're there with none of that Malie Donn, the one named Timeout. I'm going to check it out and say that I deal with it. You see me, I say, we don't want to be very much longer. Hit the like and subscribe button, you know, because we're back active, you know. If you don't hit the like, we don't even give a damn, because we're going to do a thing same way regardless. You see me? We're the best without no agreed or not. We don't care. Malie Donn, Timeout, let's get it. Yes, I saw it. Timeout. Timeout, and you have an I saw it. Watch. Alright, I saw Timeout. Watch you. Eclipse. Cyclone. Blood clean.
Tell her to tip up on your toe. But if I te fling it back, girl, if you tip up on your toe. Pan your jaw, the cocky pussy body, I know that me know. Dirty gun in my palm, but me no see honey.
Body and a damn dome. We don't put number 6 on here. You see me, I say. I go look at that 12. Yeah. But we're not going to get into that. Where dog I deal with? Mama, tip up.
Tell her to tip up on your toe.
Yeah, Fido.
But if I te fling it back, girl, if you tip up on your toe. Pan your jaw, the cocky pussy body, I know that me know. Dirty gun in my palm, but me no see honey do. You no fuck up a gammon, no time, no dick, no Harry Joe.
Dirty gun in my palm, but me no see honey. Hey, big up your blood clean. Yes, man, we don't see no honey, mama. But you don't take honey now, you undo. Yes, man, don't run up you down, play up, man. Pull out that blood.
Dirty gun in my palm, but me no see honey do. You no fuck up a gammon, no time, no dick, no Harry Joe. So we a trash and every day them copy flow. Tell them no size up me wish you me puppy show. Put this.
Whoa. Is this the alleged shot that was fired? Is this the one where he fires that? None other than the one Valiant. Because we say Valiant they attack shit, you know. And we say that was shot over there. Yes, Valiant say dog trash. Hey, Malie not play with them, you know. Malie not business. Oh, that we fire shot.
So we a trash and every day them copy flow. Tell them no size up me wish you me puppy show. Put this switch up on a blick and make it fire rapid do. Nah no style like a shit, you make yourself a mockery do.
Nah no style like a shit, you make yourself a mockery do. I leave that league, what you Malie? Malie not afraid that no boy that asks me go against Crowley and me go against anything. Anything run up, get done up. Why?
With puppy check give us slap it throat. International fucker like she do a cocky sport. Cock up your ass, say she give place up and you know your bumper heavy.
International fuck like she do a cocky sport. How the blood clean? What you?
Cock up your ass, say she give place up and you know your bumper heavy. If you out to see you with a rocky boat. Chala we out, but now the killer cocky coda that me know the scholar call me active.
Say your bumper large if you out to see you with a rocky boat. How do you like this?
Pay say she give place up and you know your bumper heavy. If you out to see you with a rocky boat. Chala we out, but now the killer cocky coda that me know the scholar call me activate the cashy tone. How fucking Rolex pa my wrist no Casio. She drink me like a Capri Sun or cappuccino coffee door.
Rolex pa my wrist no Casio this. Get it right.
I'm in a timeout. Lift up a kite, put the bitch and check my style out. Gun pan bell, me no hide out. Regular my black out when I'm ready, make a white out. BSOP, anyway no dry choke. Girl enough for cry, check your pussy like a guy now. Let me know, so me if it's no size up.
BSO, any no dry choke down here. Go on to.
And if you try, if you chat.
No dry choke reasoning.
Get a live round.
Timeout. Diamond. I saw it.
Hand pan no itch, you flip it dirty whip. Put my cocky partial lip and make your kiss a dirty bitch flood. Chop me.
Put my cocky pan her lip and make she kiss a dirty bitch. I would he bum some disrespectful shit in that. It's like, yeah, just a blood flag, you know that. It's like, no, it's all kissy, you know, this blood flag, you know that. Come on, I do anything to you know, so they get how wickedness them there. So how do you forget? Yes, man, no forget. Yes, man, do blood cleat wicked eerie dog say what I do. Embarrassing.
Pan no itch, flip it dirty whip. Put my cocky partially to make your kiss a dirty bitch flood. Chop my chain, my dog, my diva touch your wrist. I think I pick up y'all alone regular than sky fucking it. Lift up your blicky belly, he's a 30 clip. You bring a pick the faded and consider yourself lucky bitch. She love the dick, she hold it like a crutchy tick. You know, she said them a mongrel and no time for puppy tricks. Bust up my gun, man, and no time.
You know, see them mongrel and no time for puppy tricks. I'm mongrel for real, you know. I'm mongrel and blood cleat for real.
Lucky bitch. She love the dick, she hold it like a crutchy tick. You know, she said them a mongrel and no time for puppy tricks. Bust up my gun, man, and no time for go for fist me to blood clot ring, so call me cool it up piss. But them said them dark for me darkness and no eclipse.
Them to blood clot ring, call me cool it up piss. How are they? Malie, what is wrong with this guy? Go on, Joe.
Puppy tricks. Bust up my gun, man, and no time for go for fist me to blood clot ring, so call me cool it up piss. But them said them dark for me darkness and no eclipse. Make that like I take a picture, make your thing a dopey film. No see him.
Like I take your picture, you think a dopey show. You think a dopey film. Like I take your picture, boy. Hey, the boy, you see that boy.
Time for puppy tricks. Bust up my gun, man, and no time to go for fist me to blood clot ring, so call me cool it up piss. But them said them dark for me darkness and no eclipse. Make that like I take a picture, make your thing a dopey film. No see him. Ready when I'm ready, me no time out. Lift up a Kyle, pretty bitch, I check my style out. Gun pan belly, me no hide out. Regular my black out when I'm ready, make a white out. Yes, so be anyway, no try.
Regular my black out when I'm ready, make a white out. Fully bleach. Fully bleach on the bleaching. We're born in the episode and the gamma zone and the cake soap and the whatever it is. I was a bleach when I talk Clorox. Yes, man.
Girl, enough for cry, check your pussy like a guy now. Them know some every single size up. And if you try, if you chat up, you get the live rounds.
Yeah, live rounds, you only hear you. Live rounds will leave you dead round here, boy. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yeah. Don't play it, Malie, you know. Hey, time out. I like that one there still. Malie, I have some tune, dog. Man, tune hours a flow. You see me? Each song is give everybody a vibe. Girl them can vibe to the scammer, the chopper, the youth them that's just chill. You see me? I say the gallis. You see me? Everybody, yeah, they all everything. Man, put everything in one tune. I like that. I like, you know, him song now is sound, man. You see me? You can play it. You can play his tune them as a girl song, as a gun song, a chopper song, a vibe song. You see me? It's a cool song, a rich song. You see me? I say, I like it, dog, flavor and style, man. You see me? I say, I'm gonna keep my knowledge and make you kiss your dirty bitch. Jesus and peace. They be a mongrel and I no time for puppy tricks, you know that. No time for puppy tricks. They want big dogs. You see me? I say, gang, I'm not even on the comment section. You see me? I drop this out, no phone. No. I'm out.